Hello, with you channel 2x Smarter. SHERP The Ark is an all-terrain vehicle that can literally move on any surface, even on water. This transport easily overcomes thin cracking ice, while inside there is room for 22 people and several tons of cargo. Transport you and your crew safely through ice and water, swamps and bushes, rocky hills and sands. Anytime, any place, anywhere.
It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over everything. And when I feel like this, I'm immortal. 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 Don't be scared. Just give me up. Don't be turning back. I won't stop, I'ma fight until there's nothing left. It's so on, you're gonna be hurting bad, cause I've been to hell and back. You don't wanna make me mad, I stay strong. You will never see me crack. And if you get in my way, you're gonna feel the wrath. Gotta say it to my face while he's looking back. Mirror breaks after math, when I hate, I attack. I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. And don't forget check our another videos.